right, it's about 8:30. Time to go to work.
It definitely was not like stepping on a clown horn. It was not like that at all.
Not funny. That's not funny at all.
It's not funny thinking about it going through the air. One side's heavier than the other, so it's just doing like a weird like doof, yeah, just hard ass.
All right, it's time for dinner now. These dumb motherfuckers. Turn around again for me? Yeah. Fucking hell.
Yeah. Dang, bro. You got the angles.
We're gonna finish all of our rice again.
I was not hungry at all, but now I'm good.
I don't know why I did that.
You have enough water?
Someone at the table keeps finishing all of them.
Sorry, do you want some more water? Say when.
Oh my god, let You want some sweet stuff in your drink?
Are you okay?
She got a burp. She's like a baby. What is this woman?
I feel better now.
She burped?
Did I tell you this story?
What?
It was like one of the first dates we went on. We were hanging out at my place. Everything's fine, then out of nowhere, Aleena goes, "Oh God." She's like, "Okay, I have this weird thing where I don't know how to burp." I'm like, "Huh?" She's like,
Well, you have definitely learned. That I know.
"Oh, she has." But she's like, "Oh fuck, I'm sorry." She rolls on her stomach. She's like, "Can you I'm like, burp? She's like, "Yeah, sorry."
What?
She's just laying on her stomach, and I'm like, we sat there. I thought she was fucking with me, and I think I burped her. And I was at 10 minutes. It felt like 20, but it was probably 10. When it finally came out, she was like, it was the smallest burp. It was like, she was like, "Oh my god, oh my god."
It feels like my body is like shutting down.
I can't burp either, also.
Wait, you're saying you actually still can't?
I just don't burp.
Try to burp right now.
I don't even know how I would begin to.
You eat beans.
I don't, but I fart. It just poops out the back end.
Okay, but I'm saying try.
I don't know how to try. Yeah?
There's a new Starbucks.
What is it?
The sugar cookie. It comes with almond milk, but I get regular milk because I like dairy.
You're fucking sick. Holy shit, dude.
Sorry, I just need
No
this.
cameras, bro, no cameras. Paparazzi on me. We went to dinner the other, like, 2 weeks ago or something, to some, like, fucking steakhouse. And we walk outside and there's, like, paparazzi, like, taking photos. And we're like, who the fuck, like, there's nobody here to take photos of. And I think, like, it's some place that all the TikTokers go.
Oh, is it?
It's Boa.
Oh,
Boa.
Yeah.
Paparazzi of Boa.
These are the vegan ones right here. These are the vegan ones right here. These are the fucking good ones right here. Yeah, put that in your school project.
Wait, which ones are the vegan ones?
Vegan at the bottom, the fritter.
You can throw those out.
Just put the vegan ones in the trash. It's fine.
Yeah. You can just leave them out though, and I'll grab them.
Look, I'll take out the trash. Hey, buddy. Did you piss and shit on the floor? Turn on that tree, Aleena.
Bing bong.
Hey, dude. Hi, buddy. Come here for a sec.
I also don't care.
Take my hand. Come here for a sec.
Why? What are we doing? Oh shit.